One of the first things that I tell these folks is that this isn't like riding a bike when you were a kid.
This is miserable.
I'm not good at it yet.
International Police Mountain Bike Association recognizes us as the first paramedic bicycle team in the country. We respond into large venues where there can be anywhere from 50 to 75,000 people. All of the Rockies home games, they want to get into this because they know that it's easier for them to get in there on their bikes versus trying to get an ambulance in there.
I used to race professionally, mainly triathlon, so I'm not quite used to this mountain bike thing.
We have approximately 50 bike paramedics.
This is a much heavier bicycle. Weight distribution is completely different.
Packs that are on the bikes weigh up to about 40 pounds. So we teach our people to ride at slow speeds in a controlled environment so that they can maneuver through people to get to a patient in any sort of circumstance. We'll do stair descents, and we have some sensitive equipment in there, so we want our people to be able to go downstairs carefully and protect the equipment at the same time.
I have decent balance, but it's still proving difficult, so it's a little humbling.
Taking somebody that's probably one of the weaker riders and then making them a leader is the most rewarding part of it.